welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Czar, Alberta, a small village in the heart of central Alberta, about 70 kilometers west of the Saskatchewan border. Czar offers a glimpse into rural Canadian life, shaped by its rich history and community spirit. Unfortunately, there's no drone footage for this video, as the humidity was high and the dew point was close to the air temperature, which can cause ice to form on the rotors. Not ideal for safe flying. Driving along Highway 13, also known as the Buffalo Trail, you'll find serene landscapes and a welcoming atmosphere. The village was officially incorporated in 1917, growing around the railway that played a crucial role in its development. The origins of the name are not entirely clear. Some suggest Russian workers on a nearby section of the Canadian Pacific Railway chose it, while others believe it commemorates the 1907 Anglo-Russian Treaty, or possibly refers to the czar or boss of a railway crew. Agriculture quickly became the backbone of the community, a tradition that continues today with the surrounding farmlands and ranches. A key gathering spot in the community is the Czar Community Hall, where locals come together for events and celebrations. The village is also home to a well-loved skating rink, a hub for winter activities, and a favorite spot for families and friends to gather. Though small, Czar's history speaks to the resilience and hard work of its settlers, who built a community that thrives on strong connections and shared traditions. Visitors often appreciate the blend of history and the warm hospitality of its residents. If you're looking to escape the hustle of city life and experience a quieter side of Alberta, Czar offers a peaceful retreat where you can connect with the land and its stories. Explore this unique village where community spirit and heritage create lasting memories. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.